the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make a Southern red pepper cornbread. I was the executive pastry chef at the Water Club, which is a restaurant in New York City, for many years, and every single day we made hundreds of mini cornbread muffins. So I love cornbread, and this time I wanna jazz it up a little bit with some red pepper, pepper jack cheese, and some fresh cilantro. So let me get everything mise en place, and I will show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
Once you get everything mise en place, what I like to do is first mix all of the wet ingredients with the cornmeal. Not sure if you can see, the cornmeal is a little coarse, and I like it to be nice and soft, and my cornbread to be more like a cake than a gritty thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix together all of our liquid ingredients and add the cornmeal and let it sit for 5 minutes. So first I have 1.5 cups of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1 stick of melted butter, and 3 eggs. We're gonna whisk that up, and then we're gonna add in our cornmeal. Now, timing management. While this is sitting here for 5 minutes, I'll finish whisking that, I'm gonna grate the cheese. And this is our 1 cup of cornmeal. And whisk that together and set the timer for 5 minutes so that can soften. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt to our 3 cups of all-purpose flour, plus 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Then stir it together to make sure it's combined evenly. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of light brown sugar to our cornmeal that's been softened in the liquid ingredients. And now we're gonna fold in the rest of our dry ingredients into our mixture. And we wanna fold it by starting at 12 o'clock on the bowl, down to 6 o'clock, flip it over and repeat. Now we're gonna fold in our 1 cup of finely diced red pepper, our 1 cup of shredded pepper jack cheese, and our 1/4 cup of finely chopped cilantro. Using non-stick cooking spray, I'm spraying this mini loaf pan. I'm gonna do a mini loaf and a bunch of muffins. Once you get your baking dishes filled, we're gonna put them into a 375-degree oven, and I'm just doing a small batch now because I'm gonna bake the rest of this for a catered event later on. So this will take about 20 minutes, and this one probably take about 25 to 28 minutes. This was in for 23 minutes, and you can see it's a nice golden brown color on the top, and also springs back from the touch. And if you poke a knife or a cake skewer into the center, it should come out clean. So there's no batter on there. That is done. And these actually only took 18 minutes. So 18 minutes at 375, and this was 23 minutes at 375. This looks so good. I can't wait to try it. It's still nice and warm. Of course, you could also slather it with some nice warm butter. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. Look how light and fluffy this is. Oh, I can't wait to eat the rest. I hope this inspires you to make it at home. Thank you so much for watching. This is our Southern red pepper cornbread. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you make it and if you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all of the videos on our YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.